In today's maths video, we are going to learn about estimation of sum. Before getting into the topic, we have a quick recall of few concepts. Round off or estimate to the nearest 10. Rounding of numbers or estimate both have a same meaning, children. Rounding of numbers means it's not an exact number, it is close enough to the exact number. Rounding of number make our calculation easy and quick. Find the round of numbers or estimate to the nearest 10. Children, we need to remember of two important note. The first note, to find the nearest 10, we need to focus to its right place digit. For a 10, the right place digit will be the ones place. And note 2, we need to remember of two numbers, weak number and strong number. Weak numbers are numbers which is less than 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Strong numbers are numbers which is 5 and more than 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let us see the first example, children. 83. We need to round off 83 to the nearest 10. To find the nearest 10, we can find it with the two simple steps. Step 1 and step 2. Step 1 is to find a between number and step 2 is to find a round off number. To find a between number, there is a simple trick to find a between number, children. What is a trick is, we need to find a nearest to 10, no? So, nearest to 10 means 10 will have a 0 in the ones place. So, in the question, ones place should be changed to a 0. So, 83 should be changed to a 80. Ones place should be changed to a 0. Nearest to 10 means the ones place changed to a 0. So, 83 will become a 80. Add a 10 to this and find the next number. If you add a 10 to this, 80 plus 10 gives what? 90. Need to find the step 2. Step 2 is finding a round off number. To find a round off number, first step you have to see the tens place means you have to focus should be given to the right place of the 10. What is the right place of the 10 is the ones place. So circle the ones place, children. After circling the ones place and see this number is a weak number or a strong number. 3 is a weak number or strong number? Yes. 3 is a weak number. If it is a weak number, we have to round off to the small number. Weak number means you have to round off to the small number. Which is a small number in this between number 80 or 90? Yes, small number is 80. So that is called as a down number. Big number is called as a up number. So 3 is a weak number. Weak number should be round off to the down number 80. That is small number. If for example, if this is not a 3, if this is a 5 means 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 means, then it will be a strong number. Strong number means we have to round off to the up number, big number. So, up number. So, in this case, it's a 3. 3 is a weak number. So, we need to round off to the small number. Which is a small number? Yes, 80 is a small number. So, 83 is rounded down to 80. Children, in this you have to remember this, children. Weak number means you have to round off to the small number. Strong means you have to round off to the big number. The small number you call it as a down number and the big number you call it as a up number. Let us see another example, children. It's a 3-digit number 768. We need to round off the 768 to the nearest 10. This can be done with the two simple steps, children. Step 1 and step 2. Step 1 is to find a between number and step 2 is to find a round off number. Step 1. In step 1, to find a between number, I taught you a simple trick, children. What is a trick? Did you remember that, children? Yes. I need to round off 768 to the nearest 10. Nearest 10 means 10 will have a 0 in the ones place. So, change this 8 to a 0. So, 768 should be changed to a 760. To find the next number, what we need to do? Add a 10 to this and find the next number. 760 plus 10 gives what? 770. Now you can able to understand how to find a between number. After finding a step 1, now we are moving to the step 2. Step 2 is to find a round off number. To find a round off number, children, we need to think first 768 should be rounded to the nearest 10. Nearest 10 means focus should be given to the not to the tens place, right place of the tens place. What is the right place of the tens place? Is the ones place. The ones place is what? Is 8. So circle the ones place, children. Why we are circling here? Because our focus should be given to the right place of the tens place. So right place of the tens place is a 8. So circle the ones place, children. Yes. 8 is a strong number or weak number? Yes, you all know that 8 is a strong number. So 768 is rounded to the 770. 770 is a up number. Children, you all know that strong number should be rounded to the up number. If it is a weak number, it should be rounded to the down number. So here it's 8. It's a strong number. So we need to round it to the 770. Step 2. 768 is rounded up to 770. Let's practice few example sum, children. Find the estimate and then find the actual sum. Children, in this we are going to find the estimate and the actual sum. You all know what is meant by estimate. Estimate or round off number, both are same. Round off number is not the exact number, is not the actual number. It's close enough to the actual number. Children, first we are going to find the estimate of the given number and then we are going to find the actual. So let us start, children. First example, 358 plus 426. 358 is the first addend and 428 is the second addend. So we need to find the estimate of this two number. To find the estimate, what is the estimate? Other word for estimate, it's a round off. So we need to round off 358 to the nearest 10 and 426 to the nearest 10. Children, in grade 3, you know only the round off to the nearest 10. So whatever the sum is given, you have to round off to the nearest 10. First step, we are going to round off the 358 to the nearest 10. Children, you all know that how to round off to the nearest 10. That can be done with the two simple steps, step 1 and step 2. Step 1 is to find a between number and step 2 is to find of the round off to the nearest. ROT means round off to. Round off to. That short form I written is ROT. Okay, step 1. To find a between number, I taught you a very simple trick, children. To round off to the nearest 10 means 10 will have a 0 in the ones place. So in the question, you have to change the ones place to a 0. So 358 should be changed to a 350. To find the next number, what we need to do? Yes, you are correct, children. Add a 10 to this and find the next number. 350 plus 10 gives what? 360. So between number, we know that 358 is between 350 and 360. After finding the step 1, now we are moving to the step 2. Step 2 is what? You have to round off. How to round off? To round off to the nearest 10 means you have to see the right side of the tens place. Right side of the tens place is what? Ones place. So circle the ones place, children. Yes. What is the number here? It's a 8. 8 is a strong or weak number? It's a strong number. So it is a strong number. We need to round up 358 to the up number 360. Step 2. 358 is rounded off to 360. So children, 358 is rounded to the nearest 10. We got is a 360. Now we are moving to the second addend 426. We need to round off 426 to the nearest 10. Step 1 and step 2. Step 1 is to find a between number. So you all know how to find a between number. The ones place should be changed to a 0. So 426 is changed to a 420. Add a 10 to this and find the next number. If you add a 10 to this, 420 plus 10 gives what? 430. Step 2. 426 should be rounded off. To round it off, first we need to see the right side of the tens place is ones. The focus should be given to the ones place. So circle the ones place. 6 is a strong number or weak number? Yes, You are correct, children. It's a strong number. So we need to round it to the up number. So 426 is rounded to 430. So what is the answer we got? 430. So the second addend is changed to a round off to the nearest 10. What is the answer? 430. After finding the round off number to the nearest 10, now we are going to add the estimation. Okay, children. Now add the ones place first, ones place. If you add the 0 plus 0 gives what? 0. Then tens place. 6 plus 3 gives what? 9. Then 100 place. 3 plus 4 gives what? 7. So therefore the estimated sum we got it is a 790. Children, now we are going to find the actual sum. 358 is the first addend and 428 is the second addend. Arrange the number one below the other according to their places, children. First, in addition, we need to add the ones place. 8 plus 6 gives what? 14. 4 comes in the ones column and 1 move as a carryover in the tens column. After adding the ones column, move to the tens column. 1 plus 5 plus 2 gives what? 8. After adding the tens column, move to the 100 column. 3 plus 4 gives 7. So the actual sum we got it is a 784.
Children, I hope you all understand the concept. Thank you, children. Have a blessed day.